Hello everyone, this is a new video. In this video we're going to do carbon monoxide and smoke alarm testing today, because Mondays and Fridays I normally test smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors, and I will do a little bit of clips and then I can start testing. I'm only have to film with one hand. Now I do need the stick or the club, because the club is much better. Yeah, this, and then let's get started. Right, we've got this guy up here. Oh, that didn't work. This guy up here. There you go. That one has been tested. This guy up here. Right, that one has been tested. This guy up here. There you go. This guy up here. There we go. Thought he wasn't going to beep then. There you go. Right, that one has been tested. Now we're going to start doing smoke detectors, which is this guy up here. I don't want to press it twice. It does make a siren noise. There you go. That one's been tested. This guy up here. What the heck? Do it again, because that didn't work. There you go. That one's been tested. This guy in here. There you go. That one's been tested. This guy in the hallway. There you go. That one's been tested. This guy up here. I didn't know why that noise just came. I think I accidentally pressed it twice maybe, but there you go, that one's been tested. Job it was still recording. And finish it off is the heat detector in the kitchen, this guy up here. There you go, that guy's been tested. There you go, test complete. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you again soon. Bye!